Hey guys, this is a quick demo of this nice red Epiphone SG. It has two humbuckers, a three-way toggle switch, and it's got these dot inlays. It's not that odd. So let's get into the video. This car is $199 now. Was I believe $179 when I bought it. Bridge pickup. Between switch, both pickups. Here's the neck pickup. With distortion. Distortion. Something I did notice when I first got the guitar is there's just a little bit of wood on the nut, you can see, but otherwise it's pretty good. I did see this one review where this, the tuners, one snapped off after a few months of having it. That hasn't happened to me. I doubt it will. Just a quick glance at the guitar. Feel free to check out my other videos. I have 2 guitar, I watched these restorations, one really bad one and one good one. So go check those out. And then those are going to be in the link below. And then go check out my other videos. I have some Squid Game videos. Go check those out. And thank you for watching, and bye.